welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making cinnamon streusel muffins. Oh yes, I've made cinnamon streusel before in a pan and boy was it good. So good. Now we're going to be making it into muffins so you can take it on the go. Let's be realistic. It's not going to make it outside your house because they're so good you probably will have eaten them before you're actually going somewhere to go take them with you to eat them. Yes, these will taste just like your favorite coffee cake muffins. You know, those ones you buy in the store in that plastic wrapping. We can do so much better. Yes, we can. I'm also making them because oh, how delicious this recipe to make cinnamon streusel muffins. I can't wait to eat them all up after we bake the cinnamon streusel muffins. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then we'll be doing this in 3 stages. We're gonna make the filling first, let it rest. Then we're gonna make the topping, and then we're gonna make the batter and put them all together. Easy peasy. Melted butter, dark brown sugar, cinnamon, mixed together. Old-fashioned oats going in. All-purpose flour, cinnamon, unsalted butter softened, dark brown sugar, mixed together. Start with lukewarm milk, add some melted butter. Add your eggs. Now whisk your dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, old-fashioned oats, cornstarch, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, little bit of nutmeg, cinnamon chips. Add wet ingredients to the dry. Stir until just combined. Add about a tablespoon to each muffin cup. Add 2 teaspoons of your filling to each muffin. Top with the remaining batter. Now add the topping. Sprinkle on and press down a little bit as you do so. Before you put yours in the oven, there is the option to add a white glaze on top. Who wants the white glaze when you've got a delicious topping and the streusel filling and this coffee cake? I don't, so it's going in without it. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the tops are golden brown. Let's do the toothpick test. Let's take them out. Let them cool for about 5 minutes, transfer them to the other cooling rack, and then we get to eat them. I took the muffin out of its wrapper. Can see the cinnamon chips there. It smells heavenly. Seriously, heavenly. Let's take a bite. The topping is cinnamony perfection. And let's get a look of it inside. Let's see if I can do this without making such a mess. You can see right there the filling inside. Look at that, let's try that. This is truly everything a cinnamon streusel coffee cake should be. Begone the plastic wrapping coffee cakes. Make your own. If I can make these delicious cinnamon streusel coffee cakes for the very first time with you watching me, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram.